happening there? Good morning, mares. I gotta run these mares up, get them started for the day. Unfortunately, I just gotta get them past that first hole. Once I get them in there, I can pretty much sort them out up there in the arena. The hard part is getting them off the pasture. That's where I struggle the most because I can't seem to get them off this grass. Come on, get up there. Good girl, just walk the fence. Just walk the fence. Come on, Bartley, find the hole. Look up, look up. That way. Good girl. Good girl. Little potty break. It's all right, as long as you see the hole. Nope, find the fence. Good girl, good girl. Run through the hole. Aw, come on. This is where a gate man would have came in clutch. But it's all right. There's my gate man. Get in the hole. Oh, we found that hole. Good horse, good horse. Come on, pretty pony, let's go. Come on, pony. Alright, you can stay with Promise. Today should be an easy day. I don't think we have any clients scheduled to come. We don't have any showings. Just training. I gotta buy a little toy for Bruno. Kind of gets bored in his stall. Oh no! Drop the pink juice. Little perk. All right, let's get these guys back in. Let's go check on Dude. Dude is currently soaking in Epsom salt. I can't seem to get him straight. He's been lame for a while. He's been lame since they bought him, actually. Might be genetic, might be changing environment, because he came from South Texas. It's a lot wetter out here. So he might keep getting abscesses or, soft feet. But he's soaking in Epsom salt. I guess he's drying out now. Are you okay, dude? Are you okay? Hang on to your underwear. I get bumpy. yesterday. We set it up. We set it up right there because we kind of created like an alleyway that they have to step on the bridge. It's been working out good. We just gotta put more horses on it. Why'd you break that chain?
I didn't do it.
Trouble, trouble.
How'd it go and break it, Ricky?
I know it.
I don't know how I got up here, but it's supposed to be training day, and now we're shoveling chips.
Run one of these Chinese back coast noodles. I can tell watching her.
Just one time.
Just one time. Back up, Bruno. Back up. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo. Bruno's a good boy. Bruno's a good boy. Good job, Bruno.